Independent analyst firms are taking notice of SAP Cloud ERP. Gartner places SAP S/4HANA in the Leaders Quadrant in its Magic Quadrants for Cloud ERP for Service-Centric Enterprises and Cloud ERP for Product-Centric Enterprises. According to the Forrester Wave Digital Operations Platform for Manufacturing and Distribution Q3 2022, SAP S/4HANA is built on a next-generation technology foundation, HANA, that provides cloud options, AI and automation, and real-time process management. IDC writes, SAP continues to evolve its product with innovation, combining technological expertise with its industry expertise. SAP Cloud ERP is designed for every business need. 99 of the top 100 global companies run SAP, while more than 60% of all new SAP S/4HANA Cloud customers are small and medium-sized enterprises. SAP innovations help organizations in 140 countries and 25 industries drive top-line, bottom-line, and green-line growth. In fact, 97 of the world's 100 greenest companies run SAP.